I'm Miss Susan from the Fountaindale Public Library. Today's video is a supplement to the Storm the Castle Take It, Make It kit that you picked up from the Children's Services desk. We will be making catapults and paper cubes. So grab your kit and let's get started. Okay, so in your kit that you picked up from the Children's Services desk, you should have received a booklet with the instructions, and it's several sides. You would have received 10 craft sticks with the bottle cap attached to one of the sticks. There will be a bottle cap attached. Okay. You would have received 4 rubber bands that we will need and some pom-poms. So the first step is to take 8 of your craft sticks. Okay, so 8 of your craft sticks, and you take 1 rubber band and loosely put it on the end. It doesn't have to be super tight. It makes it easier if it's a little loose. Actually, I'm going to just leave it on like that so that I can show you. So twice around on these. We will tighten it. And then you take your one last stick that does not have a bottle cap on it, and you go between the last 2, or the bottom 2 or the top 2, it doesn't matter, sticks. See how I have that? You go right between that. Then you take one with your bottle cap and put that on the very top, just like that. Take 1 more rubber band, and we're going to go around this, not too tight. I'm going to go 3, maybe a 4th time around that. Now we're going to tighten up those ends. So I'm going to do it 1 more time and 1 more time. If you have trouble with this step, you can always have your mom or dad help you. So now it should look like that. If you can see, this one is between the last 2, and this one's along the top. This is the one with your cup knit. Now, make sure these are even. You want to take 1 more rubber band. And this one might be a little tricky. You want to go kitty corner like that. And then twist it around at the bottom and go on the opposite side. Yep, see, it's not even working for me. You know why? Because I didn't twist it enough. Twist it twice. That'll give it to you. There. So when you're done, it should go crisscross on the top. On the bottom, crisscross. And that will keep it from coming off. And you can adjust it this way by sliding the big group of craft sticks, sliding it down, or sliding it back. Just like that. So now your catapult is ready. Also in this kit, there will be 6 blocks, 6 pieces of paper to make 6 cubes or blocks. There'll be 3 large ones and 3 smaller ones, as you can see. They're assorted colors. And all you have to do to put your blocks together is fold up on all of your lines, just like that, just like that. You can glue this or tape it. Fold up on these lines. There's some more little lines right here, these little tiny ones. I don't know if you can see this little tiny edge. And there's one here and one right here. Those make some little tiny things there, little tabs. And that's going to fold up, and the same on the other side. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I can show it to you. So like that. See? Just like that. So then what you're going to do is you're going to glue it there. You're going to glue it here, and glue it there, and right there. And you'll have yourself a cube. And it's the same process on the small ones, because the small is just a miniature of this exact design. So I have just placed some boxes, some cubes that I have made ahead of time up to make a small wall, but you'll have more, obviously. And then you want to take your pom-poms and put it in the cup like that. And then all you do is pull back. It might be easier this way, and let it go. And mine just went flying over to the next desk. So I think I'm going to back up a little bit. Let me move the camera just a little bit. I'll back up a little bit. Oh, wow, it just really flew. Now, I suggest that you try other objects from home. I grabbed a little eraser tops that you can get to put on your pencils. I'm going to put that in there. Oh yeah, that goes flying. And you want to set up your blocks further away. You'll see once you do it at home. I just didn't have enough room in here. I put a little Lego, a little Lego block. And that's going to go flying. Oh yeah, that went flying. Here's another little Lego, little tiny one. Yep, that works too. You can find all sorts of little items around the house to fling. So there you have it, Storm the Castle. We would love to see any videos or photos you take of you storming your castle at your house. Please share them with us at the Children's Services Desk. We'd love to see you there soon. Bye.